Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing today? It is Friday. What is it? March 21st. Wow, Friday, March 21st already. Another week or so, and this month is already over. Can't believe a quarter of this year has already gone by. Welcome, everybody. Thank you very much for joining me. This is the live stream to cover the NQ 5-minute opening range, basically at the 935 opening candle. We're looking to get 34 ticks, and we have a 50-tick stop loss. Just a reminder, this is not intended to be financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. It's for educational purposes only. So I don't encourage you to copy me or do what I do. I'm just here to kind of share my experience with you guys. So let's see. With that being said, let's take a quick roll call here, see who's here. Who's speaking currently? Oh, we have one of the Fed members speaking. Yeah. I think they've been speaking like throughout the morning. All right, let's go really quickly. Richie, good morning. Joe, good morning to you. Benjamin, good morning. Triple witching today? Yep, I guess it is. Trempus, good morning to you. Rich, good morning. Mitch, good morning to you. Miguel, Beth, good morning. How are you? Russell, nice to see you. Randy, good morning. Dr. Purple is in the house. Good morning to you, Doc. Hopefully we won't need any prescription medication today. And this should be a quick and easy trade, and we can get a nice little winner again and finish the week off right. Okay, let's jump over to the charts really quickly, see how we are looking. So if we kind of look at, well, this has been happening quite a bit lately. Like right at the 8 o'clock hour, the market just seems to have been like dumping. And I think this happened like almost every day this week, which I find it to be kind of interesting. So from the overnight, let's see. I think this is actually before the London Open. So it's right around here. So we'll mark... Oops, that's not what I wanted. I didn't want to mark it there. We'll mark it here, and we'll mark it, well, the low, I guess, is going to be down here. So we have this range that we're messing with. Let's take a look and see what the 15-minute looks like. It did actually wick down, and it has been trending downward. Every candle's been closing lower than the previous. And also, if we look at the higher time frames, everything is pointing down. So we shall see. Again, that's one of the things we've been noticing, is that just kind of like if we're looking at patterns, throughout the week, we've been getting these moves down. And then right as the open happens, we get our setup. It goes a little bit in our favor, and then it turns around and reverses. So we'll see if that keeps the same way today, or if we're going to, we'll see what happens. Let's think positive and hope for the best. All right. Let's look at the smaller time frames. Yeah, so the smaller time frame, see on the 1 minute, it went down to this low and gave us this reversal pattern here. We'll see if it holds, or if it'll come back, retest here, and come back down again to this area. So we'll see. Kind of keep an eye on what happens around the 675 area. Let's draw a line. All right, market is open. Let's see what happens around here. If it goes up there or if it just, comes back and bounces and heads back down again. Yeah, Richie, if we don't get a setup, then by all means, and everybody trades their own chart and their own plan. You got something that you don't like and you see something you don't like, then don't trade it. Okay, so we did break above here, so we are making, higher highs here now. So let me get rid of that. And we are pushing up again. So we could potentially be looking to try to fill in this little gap right here, right? It was trying to create some kind of support level here, and then it just kind of crashed through it. So now we're see if we're going to go back up and test it, see up into the 770s or so. Well, my machine keeps locking up here every couple of seconds. That's not good. I don't know if it's coming through on the stream or not, but I am locking up, which is really bad. So as you can see, we created this big giant wick. And if anybody's wondering, remember we talked about this. This is a 21 EMA. It looks like it just literally kissed it and immediately reversed. Again, I don't trade EMAs. I don't, I just use it for informational, purposes for me to kind of see what's happening with price action. But it's just interesting how it came all the way up to the 21 and then bounced, which is also really close to this pivot level here that that I have marked. We're just under 2.5 minutes away from the opening of the 935 candle, and we'll see if we get a setup. See if the smaller time frame is giving us any indication of anything. So if we look at the 3 minute, what happened was it tried to break away from this and close higher than this 3 minute. It failed. So we also know that if we can't take the high of the previous candle's range, then we will try to go for the low. So it tried to take the low here and it basically failed again. So now it's going to try to go back up. So we'll see if it's going to go back up and retest this. Got another 1.5 minutes or so. See if it's going to go back up and try to break higher on this. If we look at the 3 minute, if it's trying to reach for the top of the wick on the 5, right? So it's trying to do that on the 1. This yellow line, no, this yellow line is the VWAP. Okay, we're just about 30 seconds before. I actually need price to close above 73 to get an entry. So we'll see what happens. So we got 3 seconds, and looks like we did not get a setup today. Price did not close above 73, which is where I needed it to close above. So we did not get a setup. The 5-minute did open, and we're basically setup free today. So, well, there you have it, guys. We did not get a trade today, so that's good. Didn't win anything, but we also didn't lose anything. So that keeps our winning streak for the last 30 days going, if you guys remember. Let me show you the performance of the strategy. You guys remember we've been kind of tracking this. So here's the equity curve and the trades that we took. So we had a trade yesterday, the day before, Monday, and then again, remember this is with the stop expanded to 50 ticks. So what we took before we got stopped out, it's reworked. These are the reworked stats for the trade. So there you have it. All right, guys. Again, thank you very much for joining me today. Hope you enjoy this little session and enjoy this content. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button. Hey, Donley, good morning. Nice to see you, man. Long time no see. So nice to have you. Unfortunately, we didn't have anything exciting happen today, so wasn't much to see. But thanks for coming and hanging out, and hopefully this will be a regular occurrence to see you every day. It'll be great. Let's see. Dr. Purple, you asked me a question. What made 73 a target price? Okay, so if you look at this right here, this level right here, this is a pivot point for me. So, and you can see that it's been trying to reach. So right here, if we break above this little line right here, this area, let me draw this for you. Right there, like that, then that would be my reason for entry to go long. Okay? So that's where that came from. So I said 73. So it's these two right here. Oh, you can't see my chart. No, sorry about that. There you go. Right here. So see the wicks of these two candles right here? And this candle tried to make it, failed. This candle went through, never closed really, so this is a little support area for me. So I'm looking to break above here to take this long. All right. Okay, guys, that's going to do it. Have a great weekend, everybody. If you're going to continue trading today, be careful. Oh, you're very welcome. You're very welcome. And we will see you guys back here on Monday. Again, have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And we will see you guys next week. Bye now.